What are the attributes of a strong system within SAFE, and how do they contribute to success? I think one of the key things to get for everyone involved in the system is to say it is a learning system. It is not a recipe. It is about having that bias to action, if you like, taking a step, learning from that. What did we learn? What should we keep on doing? What do we need to adapt, and what do we need to change? And also understanding that sometimes when we take a step, the results may not be immediately obvious. So it's not about knee jerking, flip flopping from one thing to the other. So understanding that. And so in order to do that, what do we need? We need to have a way of, if you like, sensing the system, having measures that tell us about the unintended consequences. So we may think that if we take this step, these good things will happen. And we take that, and they may happen, those good things may happen, but also there might be a side effect that we didn't see. So could take a step and we could start to deliver more. But what we may not see, if we're not measuring, if our system of measure is not balanced enough, we may not see that our calls to our call center are going through the roof. People don't know how to use this thing, or there are lots of defects or what have you. So first of all, we need to understand that this is a system about learning. And in order to learn, one of the, if you like, inputs into that is data to inform our decision making and learn from it. The other one is to acknowledge that is not a recipe of step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We configure and customize based on your context. So as we take steps, we learn and we adapt. So it's not a let's just follow through 1, 2, 3, 4. The other one is to acknowledge the fact that this is a never ending transformation journey. Does that mean that you are always reliant on external consultants or parties? Absolutely not. It's about your team and your organization using the tools and the techniques to navigate your path through uncertainty and keep adapting and improving, sensing what's happening in your organization, sensing what's happening in the market, and adjusting and adapting as you go along. It's not just we start, we will just carry on and we finish. It doesn't work that way. It also needs a great acknowledgement. I mean, we have respect for people as a key value, but it's also acknowledging that transformation and change is about people. We have to bring people with us. So it's not a system or a computer system that you just turn on and it goes. No, we need to bring people along with us. And that has got many implications. Yes, providing the support, upskilling and training that they need. We also need to be aware of this journey that we're going, what sort of new talent we may need, how we're going to acquire them, and how we're going to keep them, because bringing talent in is just part of the story. If the systems, the environments, the management system, and the technology and the tools that you have is not what people expect, then you're only creating problem for yourself, because you're continually needing to acquire, but as soon as they come 3 months, 6 months later, they're gone. So understanding all of those things about what the people needs within your organization are, how we're going to meet those, how we're going to exceed that, how we're going to enable the environment where it allows people to do the best, bring the best in, and help our organization to be the best it can be. So those are the things that SAFE will bring.